আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত ক্লাছ 10ৰ কুৰ্গ নামৰ লেছনটোৰ MCQ লৈ আহিছোঁ। আগৰ কেইবাটাও বছৰৰ SSLC এক্সাম, গোলাঘাট ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ হাফ ইয়াৰলি এক্সাম আৰু টেষ্টৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰত অহা MCQ খিনিও এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত ভৰাই দিছোঁ। এইখিনি চালে তোমালোকে গম পাবা এটা লেছনৰ পৰা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ MCQ আহিব পাৰে। Question 1. This question came in 2022 and 23. The climb to the dash hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Option A, Nilgiri. Option B, Himalaya. Option C, Kanchenjunga. Option D, Brahmagiri. The correct answer is option D, Brahmagiri. Question 2. This question came in 2022. Read the following statements carefully and choose the right option. Number 1. Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka. Number 2. Kodagu is the another name of Coorg district. Option A. Only 1 is correct. Option B. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Option C. Only 2 is correct. Option D. None is correct. The correct answer is option B. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question 3. This question came in 2023. Between Mysore and the coastal town of Dash sits a piece of heaven. Option A. Bangalore. Option D. Mangalore. Option C. Lahore. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Mangalore. Question 4. This question came in 2023. How much area of Coorg is covered by evergreen rainforest? Option A. 10%. Option B. 20%. Option C. 30%. Option D. 40%. The correct answer is option C. 30%. Question 5. This question came in 2023. Coorgi people are always willing to recount numerous. Option A. Tales of wisdom. Option B. Tales of valor. Option C. Tales of suspense. Option D. Tales of horror. The correct answer is option B. Tales of valor. Question 6. This question came in 2023. The traditional attire of Kodabas is known as option A. Kupia. Option B. Kufia. Option C. Kapia. Option D. Kafia. The correct answer is option A. Kupia. Question 7. This question came in 2023. Dash a large freshwater fish abounds in the water of river Kaveri. Option A. Mahasir. Option B. Mahabir. Option C. Bailakup. Option D. Kodagu. The correct answer is option A. Mahasir. Question 8. This question came in 2023. The Coorgis are distinct from the Hindu mainstream by their dash. Option A. Martial traditions, marriage and religious rites. Option B. Food habits, attires, languages. Option C. Martial traditions, physical features, food habits. Option D. Marriage, religious rites, song. The correct answer is option A. Martial traditions, marriage and religious rites. Question 9. This question came in 2024. The monks who live in Coorg wear option A. Red, ochre, yellow robes. Option B. Yellow, red, white robes. Option C. White, ochre, yellow robes. Option D. Red, ochre, white robes. The correct answer is option A. Red, ochre, yellow robes. Question 10. This question came in 2024. Nisargadhama consists of option A. 62-acre land. Option B. 63-acre land. Option C. 64-acre land. Option D. 65-acre land. The correct answer is option C. 64-acre land. Question 11. This question came in 2024. What is rappelling? Option A. Traveling in a river in a canoe. Option B. Traveling in a river in a raft. Option C. Going down a cliff by sliding a rope. Option D. Riding off-road bikes on rough terrain. The correct answer is option C. Going down a cliff by sliding a rope. Question 12. This question came in 2024. From the Brahmagiri hills, one can enjoy the entire landscape of option A. Mysore. Option B. Bailakup. Option C. Nisargadhama. Option D. Coorg. The correct answer is option D. Coorg. Question 13. This question came in 2024. Pick out the correct statement. Option A. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the kufiya worn by the Kodabas. Option B. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the skirts worn by the Kodabas. Option C. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the kufiya worn by the Kodabas. Option D. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the kufiya worn by the Arabs. The correct answer is option C. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the kufiya worn by the Kodabas. Question 14. This question came in 2019. Coorg is not famous for which one of the following? Option A. Coffee. Option B. Spices. Option C. Evergreen rainforest. Option D. Tea. The correct answer is option D. Tea. Question 15. This question came in 2018. The season of joy in Coorg commences from option A. April and continues till August. Option B. September and continues till March. Option C. June and continues till October. Option D. March and continues till September. The correct answer is option B. September and continues till March. Question 16. This question came in 2017. Coorg is the smallest district of option A. Maharashtra, option B. Kerala, option C. Karnataka, option D. Sikkim. The correct answer is option C. Karnataka. Question 17. This question came in 2017. Coorg is home to evergreen rainforest, spices and option A. Tea plantations, option B. Rubber plantations, option C. Coffee plantations, option D. Banana plantations. The correct answer is option C. Coffee plantations. Question 18. This question came in SSLC 2025. According to the author of Coorg, the people of Coorg are possibly descendants of the dash or the dash. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Option A. Arabs and Greeks. Option B. Arabs and Afghans. Option C. Africans and Greeks. Option D. Africans and Afghans. The correct answer is option A. Arabs and Greeks. Question 19. This question came in SSLC 2025. Why does even the most laid-back individual become adventurous in Coorg? Option A. Because Coorgi people do not welcome laid-back persons. Option B. Because Coorgi culture is adventure-friendly. Option C. Because the environment offers opportunities for adventure, sports and activities. Option D. Because laid-back people find it difficult to while away time at Coorg. The correct answer is option C. Because the environment offers opportunities for adventure, sports and activities. Question 20. This question came in SSLC 2025. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor. Which of the following options is closest to the meaning of the underlined part of the sentence quoted from Coorg? Option A. To count. Option B. To narrate. Option C. To renounce. Option D. To prevent. The correct answer is option B. To narrate. Question 21. This question came in SSLC 2024. During September to March, it is the season of dash in Coorg. Option A. Sorrow. Option B. Lull. Option C. Joy. Option D. Pain. The correct answer is option C. Joy. Question 22. This question came in SSLC 2024. With reference to Coorg, choose the correct option for the given sentence. The theory of Arab origin in relation to the people of Coorg is based on the option A. Clothes they wear, option B. Festivals they celebrate, option C. Houses they live in, option D. Food they eat. The correct answer is option A. Clothes they wear. Question 23. This question came in SSLC 2024. Read the following statements with reference to Coorg and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Whoever visits Coorg is fascinated by the adventurous activities that are carried out. Statement 2. The people are hostile and cowardly in Coorg. Option A, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option B, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Option C, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option D, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. The correct answer is option A, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question 24. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men. The meaning of the word martial is option A, having to do with marriage. Option B, having to do with peace. Option C, having to do with fight. Option D, having to do with war. The correct answer is option D, having to do with war. Question 25. The river Kaveri obtains its water from option A, the lakes of Coorg. Option B, the Brahmagiri hills. Option C, the hills and forests of Coorg. Option D, the mountains of Coorg. The correct answer is option C, the hills and forests of Coorg. Question 26. Even now, Kodabas are the only people in India permitted to option A, carry gold without a license. Option B, carry swords without a license. Option C, carry diamonds without a license. Option D, carry firearms without a license. The correct answer is option D, carry firearms without a license. Question 27. The other name of Coorg is option A, Kodabas. Option B, Kodagu. Option C, Kurds. Option D, Kufia. The correct answer is option B, Kodagu. Question 28. Which sport is not offered to tourists by Coorgi people? Option A, river rafting. Option B, rock climbing. Option C, scuba diving. Option D, rappelling. The correct answer is option C, scuba diving. Question 29. The name of the island in Coorg is option A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Option B, Majuli. Option C, Nisargadhama. Option D, Neil Island. The correct answer is option C, Nisargadhama. I hope you liked the video. I request you all to share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching.